Hi guys, I wanted to show you a closer look at all of our mailers as well as all of the items that you receive in each Freckled Lemonade order. So all of our mailers are from Eco & Clothes. We love this brand. These are the 100% recycled poly mailers. These are recyclable and also reusable. So when we ship these out, we use the very bottom one. You guys can just rip this off and then you can use this adhesive to mail off whatever items you may need later. So I think that's really cool that you can reuse these. And with our efforts to stay more sustainable, we use these little reusable bags instead of plastic, which come with our little paper cards, also recyclable. It just says, thank you so much for shopping with us. It has our socials linked. And we also include this cute little vinyl sticker of our logo.
My sticker business blew up and I knew I wanted to make t-shirts. I ordered the heat press from Amazon and it came in today. Here's me practicing cutting the design and trying to take it off of the vinyl. I then practiced by putting it on an old t-shirt.
Watch this, y'all. It's my hidden talent. Oh, you want me to do it again?
Wow, we're in shock. We cannot believe the incredible response we've received from you all. Since going viral on TikTok, we've had hundreds of orders from all over the world and have been busy packing and sending them out to you. Our hearts are full of gratitude. Thank you so much for supporting us.
God is good. I'm gonna freaking cry.
I woke up to so many of you guys ordering.
And as I'm packaging everything, I'm just like, trust. I literally restocked last week. And now everything is selling out. And I'm like, I'm overwhelmed with happiness. I started my business because I wanted a way to financially stabilize myself and afford my college tuition all on my own. Because of all of the support, I can do that. So I just want to say thank you because that means a lot to me and I've worked so hard for where I wanted to be at and I want to inspire you guys. So giveaway coming soon, okay?
I have my own business check. This is my most popular product. This is my favorite product. This is one of my most expensive products. This is my most affordable product.
I see a bunch of people posting rich kid check.
I think that's pretty lame. I want to see people starting a business.
So we can start the new trend as business check or hustle check. Let's do it. I see a bunch of people posting rich kid check.
I think that's pretty lame. I want to see people starting a business.
So we can start the new trend as business check or hustle check. Let's do it.
I'm starting a new series on my channel where I check out small businesses that I found on TikTok, and this one is Sewn in Love. We'll start off with the packaging. 10 out of 10, super cute, love the lemons. And I did buy this with my own money, so don't come for me. I'm not paid to say any of this. So, in the package was tissue paper with a little sticker, and I dropped it. But this is what I ordered. You may be like, Peyton, that's a weird looking bracelet. Well, let me show you. It's like a keychain for your car keys. So currently I just have this really big ugly loop that I put on, but wait. Look how freaking cute this is. And it's so thick. I was worried about it like ripping, but this baby's thick. I'm the type of person, I don't like lanyards. They're too long, but this is like the perfect size. She had tons of patterns and prints. I almost got the cheetah, but this little polka dot is so cute. I almost missed it, but there's a note. Hold on, I'm gonna open it. It's a little thank you card and a receipt. I love when businesses just put that little bit of effort and it just makes you feel so special. Tag other small businesses down below and I'll go check them out. So cute!
Receive when you order from my slime shop. First, you get a super cute bubble mail. Next, your slime or slime. Packet will normally have borax in it if your slime comes sticky. You get my business card that will be in this little mesh pocket. Business cards have not came in yet, so that's why there's nothing in there. Slip saying how to add the borax. And if you cannot got my first order yet, but I hope to.
This video is just to prove that no one is seeing any of my videos anymore. Hello, no one. This video is just to prove that no one is seeing any of my videos anymore. Hello, no one.
Things you need to start a lip gloss business. So the first thing you need is gel. These are from TKB Trading. This one's obviously cheaper, and the big one is about $60, which is the one I usually get. Second, you need gloves. I get these at Walgreens for like $11. Syringes and pipettes, of course. Pigments from TKB Trading. I get the flavors from Walmart. Almond oil or coconut oil from Publix. I get the scrunchies on Amazon as well. And these boxes, I got them all at the dollar store. Lip gloss tubes. I get these on Amazon. Business cards, of course, and you can get these at any printing place. Labels for your glosses. Also, I get these labels made at Office Depot, but I have to make the label for them to print it. I get all the pigments and glitters on Amazon, the ones that are safe for lips.
Hey, I'm black. You follow me, I follow back. And that's facts. You my homie and I got your back. We got talent, everybody need to see it. So with that being said, I'ma repeat it, but sing it. Hey, I'm black. You follow me, I follow back. And that's facts.